Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saeed Al-Fizan and I'm from the Zikra Quran Academy. Today we are going to revise the Kalikara letters. Let's begin. Please view the page that I've shared with you.
With Surah Al-Buruj.
We're just gonna read the first three ayat. Okay, now let's learn Kutbun Juddun.
Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. These five letters, if they are in Sukoon position, means if they have Jazm over them, then the letter will be uttered with Kalkala.
So first of all, if we just read Kaf, there is no Kalkala.
What is the meaning of Kalkala?
Kalkala means knocking back,
Knocking
also known as
back or
echo.
echo.
So this is Kaf and it does not have an echo right now because there is no jazm on it. So right now we're just gonna put a little jazm on
Yes,
it.
now you will do Kalkala over it,
Ji.
whether it's in the beginning or in the middle or at the end of the letter.
Okay, so
Word, sorry. Word.
yes, I believe we're very clear about this. But for now, we're just gonna read this about 2 times so we
हाँ,
can all
इनमें से
understand.
हर एक के ऊपर जज़म अगर होती है वो सुकून की हालत में होता है. If every letter of these Qaf, Tauba, Jim, Dal, all five, they are if in sukoon position, means if they are empty, if they have this sukoon sign over them, then there will be kalkala while reading them in the ayat or
Ji.
in any
In
sentence.
any sentence, ayat, or even in a lafz. So I believe we're not very clear about this.
We will take the example of Surah Al Buruj.
Yes, we'll take it at the end of this uh let's say video. So for now, this is a little advanced level. We're not going to read this right now.
Yes, at advanced level we will see
But this
how
is a
many types of kalkala.
but this is a part of Kalkala. I hope
Yes.
you this is a part
But
of
you
Kalkala.
keep in your mind that if the letter is ending, if the ayat is ending with the letter of shadda, with shad letter, okay, then you will do the strongest kalkala there, and that is called kalkala akbar. These are three types,
Yes,
three
but
categories
we
of
don't need to.
kalkala.
But this is a little professional level, and
A
we're
little
talking.
advanced level.
Yeah, so we're gonna get this when we are a little more professional. This is also a part of Kalkala, by the way. Now we have Jim and Jim. So first of all,
Jim with jazm.
Jim with jism and without jism. What's the
Okay,
difference?
I'm telling you. If there is Jim Zabaja, if there is Zabar over it, Zabar is called in Arabic Dhamma, with Dwad, Dhamma. And if Zair is under this letter, and it is called in Arabic Kasra.
Kasra.
And Pesh is Dhamma, and Zabar is Fatha. Please correct.
Yes.
Zabar is Fatha, Pesh is Dhamma, and Zair is Kasra.
Okay.
When you stop, means when you are ending the ayat or you are reading the full
For
ayat,
example,
okay, stay for a while. If you are reading out, okay, and you have to stay somewhere at once, like you are sneezing or whatever or coughing, you stop automatically, and there is dream. So you have to do the kalakala because you are stopping. When you stop, जेर जबर पेश एंड एवरी हरकत, हर जो इसके ऊपर हरकत होती हैं जेर जबर पेश, लाइक कोई भी, वो हट जाएगी और जज्म आ जाएगा. और जब जीम पे जज्म आएगा तो क्योंकि ये कलकला लेटर है, तो यू विल डू कलकला, मीन्स एकोइंग साउंड, लाइक सूरह बुरूज, जो दिस साउंड इज कॉल्ड कलकला.
now we're gonna underline the Kalkala letters with the blue color. Okay. First we have Ba as the first calculator.
Yes.
Then we have Ta as the second calculator. Then we
No,
have
no. This ta is not calcula letter. To. Instead, to. The thick letter to. This is not. Yes.
okay. First we have Ba. Then we have G. Oh wait.
Yes, Jim is
Then
calcula
we
letter.
have Jim.
Yes.
Then we have Dal.
Dal is calcula letter. Very good.
Then we have Cough.
And to. Where is to?
Ta.
It's this one.
Yes.
This is a very
Cough.
thick letter.
So we
To.
have.
To. Not ta. Ta is not calculator. To is calculator.
So basically, the calculators are Cough, Ta,
Ba.
wait, cough,
To.
ta,
Ba.
ba,
Jim. Da.
ja, in dal.
We made an acronym to remember it
So
for
it's,
our easiness, you know.
yes, it's Kadbun Jadun.
Kutbun Jadun or Kutbun Jad or whatever.
Now we have Surah Al Buruj. We're going to read the first three ayat.
Recite? I
Yes.
think I should recite. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. You follow me. والسماء ذات البروج.
So as you can see, the
Last
letters that are underlined with the purple or are written in the purple ink are the ones that they are doing Quran.
Jim is also calculated. Buruj واليوم الموعود. This is dal, and when this zir will be removed, it will become empty and will have jazm over it. So जब इसके ऊपर जज़म आ जाएगी तो फिर एंड इफ वी आर स्टॉपिंग ओके तो इसको हम मऊदी नहीं पढ़ेंगे वी विल रीड इट मऊद दो दो दिस इज द साउंड ऑफ कलकला व शाहिद व मशहूद आगे पढ़ना है कि बस
I think that's enough.
ओके
So that's all for today's lesson.
But these are all the kalkala of dal and jim. Here is kaf also, you know, ayat number 17. Please look at ayat number 17 है और 16 है. What is this ayat number? ये इतना मुझे सही नजर नहीं आया यहाँ पे. 17 है 16 है ये. This one.
This one I'm not sure about. Let's see.
17 है ना?
Yes. Harika. So here, as you can see, there is the kalkala on the letter kaf. That's all for today. I hope you all found this lecture very knowledgeable. If you want to take online classes as well, please contact this number. And please do not call and text. If you want to call, you can also call, but it would be a pleasure if you text. So that's all for today. Well, that's all for today.
Classes have been ended.
Yes, trial classes have been ended now.
From tomorrow there will
From
be
tomorrow
regular
there will be
classes,
regular
inshallah.
classes, inshallah. That's all for today. Thank you.